Hi YouTubers, the purpose of the today video will be to show you how you can install and configure and secure Elasticsearch cluster with more than 2 nodes. If you follow my channel, you know that I made one video which explained this, but only for one node. This will be for 3 nodes, which is the case in many times in production environment. So for the purpose, I will use Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox and 3 pre-prepared Linux Ubuntu machines where I pre-installed Elasticsearch and Kibana on the node 1 and also PuTTY and Elasticsearch configuration security file, which I will provide a link in the description for every one of them. So let's start, and don't forget, if I help you somehow, to share, subscribe and like the video. Okay, let's start now. First we have to import the nodes. If you need, you can change here the parameters for you. Okay, now node 2, same steps. And now node 3. Okay, the machines are ready, so let's start them in headless mode. As you see, they're running right now. Okay, I will connect to them with using PuTTY. So I pre-prepared the configuration, which in your case will be the same. So for the first node, node 1, in which address is 192.168.56.101. Sometimes you have to do it twice. Okay. The user is EOK and password is the same, EOK. Let's change to super user. EOK. And change the directory to root for now. Okay, we are in the first node. Let's do it to the second. EOK. EOK. Okay, second node. And third one. As you can see, the second node have the same address, but the last octet is 102 and the third node is 103. Okay, we have connection to the 3 nodes, and I don't need this anymore. Okay, let's start with the first node. I have this file with chronological instructions. I will provide you, as I said, in the description. So let's start with the configuration. First, I want to show you that the cluster is up and running. So check the health. As you can see, we have status green, 3 nodes, and everything looks good in the moment. Okay, let's start with the security features. Okay, now we change the directory to the Elasticsearch bin folder, and let's create the CI certificate. Enter, enter. Okay, and Elasticstack CI certificate. Enter, enter, enter. Okay. So now the certificates are in this folder or this directory, but we have to change the location to the config folder of the Elasticsearch, which is this one, etc elasticsearch. So I'll just copy. As you can see, the both files are here now. Sorry. Yes. And let's copy them. In our case, we will need only one of them, Elastic certificates P12. So let's copy it. And now as you can see, the certificate file is in this folder. Okay. Now we need to change some configuration in the elasticsearch.yml file. Every node have this configuration. The difference is only this IP address. Okay. Let's copy these 5 lines. X, yes. And now change ownership to the file. and change mode. Okay, because we have to use the same certificate in every node. I will copy the certificate from first node to the other two nodes, and because SCP on Linux Ubuntu doesn't have the capability to copy to the Elasticsearch config folder. First I will copy the file to the home EUK, and after that from the node I will change the directory to the etc elasticsearch. You'll see it. So now, okay, the password for the second node. Okay. Here, yes. EUK, third node. And we finished the work in the first node. Let's restart the Elasticsearch. Okay. We don't have an error, so everything looks good. Okay, we finished the work with first node for now. Let's do the same with second node. First we have to copy the certification file to the right directory, and after that we're just click yes. Okay. Second node. Control X, yes. Right. And restart Elasticsearch. For the third node, the things are the same, so I will fast forward the video to the end of the process. Okay, the third node is ready now, and let's get back to the first node right now and set passwords for default users. You can set passwords manually or automatically, but if you choose second option, you have to remember them. Okay, so I'll choose the first option. Yes, we have to change the directory to the Elasticsearch bin file where it is okay. And now here, yes, the password for Elastic will be Elastic. APM system. Okay, I make a mistake. PM system. PM system. Okay, now the passwords are set, and let's test the Costa Health again. So as you can see, everything looks good, but now is with correct user, because if we don't have this user, we don't have access to the Elasticsearch API. Okay, so now let's do some configuration to Kibana. We have Kibana installed. Only what we need to do is to reload the daemon and enable the service. Okay, and let's make the configuration. Okay, the port will be 8801. The host will be 192.168.56.101. The user will be Kibana and password Kibana. Okay, and that's it. Control X, yes, enter, and start Kibana. Okay, let's check it. We don't need this sudo because we are super user, but however, system and something system yeah. And as you can see, the Kibana is running. Let's check it to the browser. One nine two 168.101.8801. The server is not ready. Sometimes it takes a while. And we are in. Okay, we have security. Let's do it with user elastic. Okay, we have Kibana. Now let's try to create one user. First, I want to show you that monitoring is working. That monitoring is working. So just click here and turn on monitoring. And as you can see, we have 3 nodes of the Elasticsearch, green, and Kibana. Okay, let's try to create one user. Which will be with restricted rights. So users and create user, username, test, password test. The password will be 6 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test. Stop. And for now, will be with monitoring user and create it. Something is wrong. Okay. Create. And let's create one row. Which will be to have rights to just see the Discover tab. Discover tab. And with the row of monitoring user row, it will have access to the stack monitoring. Okay. So let's choose name for the row, test row. And go to users. Where is our test row? Here it is. Go to user and edit it. Edit. Test. Okay, update user. And let's try to log in with test user. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test with capital case. So, okay, explore my own, and where I have access is just to Discover tab and Monitoring tab with this user. So I hope to help you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.